Welcome back. Now, one thing you can do is you can set up a specific course, and that course can be for live events. For example, we can click on Add a Course. We're going to make this course for live events. And of course, you can upload a photo for this particular course. You're going to determine who can have access to this particular course. One thing you can do is you can make it so that only some members have access. You can then add the course. What you can then do is you can set up a module. Once you've done that, what you can do, you can set up your live link. We're going to go here to this area. What you'll notice is that you can add in a video link. You can add in that video link if it's a YouTube video, Vimeo, Loom, or Wistia. So what you will need is you will need a link from one or all of these services in order to have as part of your live event. And we will look at that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.